Now we'll go through the typical case of handling a merge conflict, where I have other changes that are going up as well. So Visual Studio Code can handle it better. So I have a change coming down. Don't know what that change is. Let's see if it's not going to be a problem. Oh no, it's a problem. Okay, so let's see what's changed. What's fetched, sorry, is the name of the batch file. So it's the talk YAML file. Well, I know that I want to check in this talk YAML file, and also I want to check in this new file. So let me go ahead and add both of those. I'm going to say Star Trek new. I'm going to go ahead and commit those locally. So now I have one going up and one coming down. Let's see if that works. Push and pull the changes. Ah, there's a merge conflict. Okay. I don't think this will work either because there are no other changes for me to... Well, let's see. Let's see. There's a conflict. So what's the conflict? Okay, I like the incoming change better. Oh, but I want to change it a little bit. It looks like they have some extra space here that I need to wipe out. But mostly I don't want characters in there, so I'm going to accept the incoming change. But let me also remove some space there. Okay, let me save that. And let me stage that change. Ah, good. So now it says stage changes, probably because I removed some white space here. That's a tip. Make additional change besides just accepting the change, and then you'll have a change to push as well as one to accept. That seems like something that'll work. Okay, so now let me commit this stage change. Accept talk entry. Now I can commit, and now I have two to push again. Great.